Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'm going to comment a little bit on the disconnect that I was talking about in the previous video. And I'm going to title this video, Quality, 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 Really? So, of course, there's a lot of numbers that I don't know where they got them, but they obviously are kind of weird and seem more made up than anything else, or I don't know where if they took those numbers for the adoption rate of Windows 11, they took them at some 10-minute period at some point. I don't know. But one of the things that stands out in the video, promotional video, we're going to call it, that was actually done is Panos Panay saying that, quality, 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 and people love quality, and people are just so happy with Windows 11. And where I have a big problem with this and where my rant is going is, okay, so quality, quality, quality. Why does Windows 11 feel like from the beginning it was an unfinished product? Because I think we can all agree some of the missing features are moving us backwards from Windows 10, obviously. And some of the missing things that a lot of people complain about, plus a lot of the things that you can do, the lack of any way of, customizing your start menu in a decent way, the lack of so many of these things, the complex way of having your favorite apps as default. All of that does not spell quality for me. Is Windows 11 quality, quality, quality? No. It's good and it's stable and it works. It is a step back in some ways to Windows 10. Definitely. It is a step forward in certain aspects. I kind of like the new visuals. There are things that are kind of nice. But, come on. Quality, quality, quality is not exactly what I would call Windows 11. When you have Windows 10, that honestly, Windows 10 21H, so we're at what, 21H2 right now, is very high quality. There's everything you need, and it's very stable. And, this is something that shows you how, once again, there's the disconnect, but also the I don't know where you get these numbers and you get people being so hyped up on Windows 11. Plus, he has adoption rate in the business is so fast. I don't think the adoption rate is faster. I think what is faster is the fact that maybe there's more businesses using PCs now than Windows 10 in 2015. So it looks like more people or more businesses are adopting, but it's simply because there's more businesses, not because their businesses are actually adopting Windows 11. I'm pretty sure the big businesses are staying on Windows 10. They're happy with it. It works. It does what they want. And, there's no rush in moving on. So, I don't know. But I think Panos Panay is maybe drinking a little too much of eggnog or something. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.